Hi there. Did you know that 49% of your peers think that mobile payments for restaurants is a must-have technology for their customers? Or that 58% of consumers prefer cashless transactions over other conventional payment options? In this video, restaurant owners will learn how they can set up different payment methods using this online ordering and payment system to accept credit and debit card payments. Restaurant owners should first begin by clicking on the Payments option to the left side of the screen. Then, they should click on Card and Other Restaurant Payment Methods. They need to select Yes, then click on the Next button. Next, restaurant owners should choose their payment provider from the supported payment gateways listed in the first drop-down box. It's important to note that the payment providers vary based on the restaurant owner's country. For a full list of supported payment providers by country, check the link in the video description below. For this example, we'll be using Stripe. To connect their merchant account to this online ordering system, restaurant owners need to retrieve their publishable key and live secret key from their Stripe account. Restaurant owners should log into their Stripe merchant account. They should ensure their account is in live mode by toggling the Test Mode option to the right of the screen. Next, they need to click on the Developers button next to the Test Mode option. Then they should click on the API Keys option located to the left of the screen. Restaurant owners should then copy their publishable key by clicking on the token in the center of the screen. Restaurant owners should then navigate back to their restaurant admin dashboard and paste the token in the publishable key box. Now they need to navigate back to their Stripe dashboard to copy their live secret key. For security reasons, the live secret key is only partially displayed. If the restaurant owners do not remember their live secret key, they need to click on the three dots to the right of the screen and select the Role Key option. This will generate a new secret key that will replace the old one. If restaurant owners are using their Stripe account for multiple businesses, they need to update these accounts with the new secret key. Restaurant owners should then select an expiration date for their old secret key. Then insert their password for their Stripe account. Clicking the Role API Key button will send a verification code to the restaurant owner's mobile phone. They need to insert the verification key, then click Continue. Restaurant owners should copy the new API key. Then head back to their restaurant admin dashboard. They need to paste the API key into the live secret key box. The currency is automatically set based on the address of the restaurant owner's establishment. Restaurant owners can check and change their restaurant's currency from the bottom of the screen. Restaurant owners should then scroll to the top of the page and click the Connect button. If restaurant owners are looking to incorporate other online payment methods, this online ordering software allows food customers to pay online with Google Pay and also supports Apple Pay for restaurants. These options are only available if the restaurant owner is using Stripe as a payment provider. To set this up, restaurant owners need to go back to their Stripe dashboard and check the settings icon located in the right-hand corner of the screen. They then need to click on the Payment Methods option on the left of the screen. They should then scroll down to the Wallet section and click on the Turn On button next to Apple Pay and Google Pay. Restaurant owners should now return to the payment section within their restaurant admin dashboard. They then need to click on the Apple Pay option and select "I manually enabled this" within Stripe. To enable food customers to be able to make payments with Google Pay, restaurant owners need to click on the Cards, GPay via browser option and then select Enable. They should then scroll back to the top of the screen and click on the Next button to finalize the connection of their merchant account for restaurants. That's it. Restaurant owners are all set to accept online payments from food customers. With online payments now enabled, restaurant owners will have the option to collect tips from customers. To set this up, restaurant owners should navigate to the Tips option of the payment section and click on Yes. They can set different default tip percentages for every one of their enabled services by typing in their desired percentage. Once restaurant owners have set their tip percentages, they should click on the Next button. We'll show you how this works in just a moment. First, let's take a look at how owners can accept PayPal for restaurants. Restaurant owners should head back over to the Payment section of their dashboard and click on the PayPal option. They should click on Yes in the PayPal Settings section. It is very important to note that restaurant owners need a PayPal business account and not a regular PayPal account to be able to use this feature. Restaurant owners should log into their PayPal business account and click on Developer in the top right of the screen. Next, they need to click on their name in the top right of the screen and then select Dashboard. Under My Apps and Credentials, restaurant owners should select the Live option. They should then click on the Create App button. Then in the app name box and type in Online Ordering System. Then they should click on the Create App button again. Restaurant owners should copy the code from the Client ID field, then navigate back to their restaurant admin panel. They need to paste the code into the Client ID box. They should then head back to their PayPal account and click on Show under the word Secret. They now need to copy the secret code. And paste it in the client's secret box within the restaurant admin panel. They should then click on the Connect button to complete the PayPal setup. There are also some additional settings that enhance the security of online payments and reduce the risk of fraud to restaurant owners. Restaurant owners should head back to the Payments section and click on Card and Other Payment Methods. Under the Card Settings section, they can enable a zip code verification option for food clients. Enabling this feature prompts the food client to enter their zip code for their first credit or debit card transaction. We recommend turning on this feature only if the restaurant regularly encounters fraud, as this requires additional information from food customers, which may cause food clients to abandon the checkout process. Next, restaurant owners should click on the icon with 3 dots on the left of the screen. Then, they should click on Advanced Settings, followed by Payment Method or Online Payments. On the next screen, restaurant owners can change how their customers' cards will be charged. The pre-auth plus capture or void option triggers Stripe or PayPal to pre-authorize the amount paid by the food customer. If restaurant owners accept an order, the system automatically triggers Stripe or PayPal to capture the pre-authorized amount within 11 to 12 hours from the fulfillment of the order. In case restaurant owners miss or reject the order, the system automatically triggers Stripe or PayPal to void or cancel the pre-authorization within 120 minutes. The purchase or refund option triggers Stripe or PayPal to charge the amount fully. In case restaurant owners accept an order, there is no other action necessary. If restaurant owners miss or reject an order, this system automatically triggers Stripe or PayPal to refund the amount already charged within 120 minutes. The advantages and disadvantages of each option are listed below the selected method. Once restaurant owners have made their decision, they should click on the Save button. Next, restaurant owners should click on the reCAPTCHA on the left of the screen. Turning on this feature will help protect their restaurant from spam orders. Now, let's see how food customers can use these restaurant payment methods at checkout. After the food client has added items to the checkout cart and entered their personal details, they'll need to select a payment method. The payment methods will list all the options they enabled from their admin panel. If food customers choose to pay online, they will then be prompted to add a tip. The default tip percentage will match the one that the restaurant owner set earlier. Food customers will of course have the option to increase or decrease the tip amount by moving the slider, or they can enter a custom tip amount.